at the henna. Well, I didn't even see them, and they just popped up. So we'll see. Got ultra vendors.
Sabay kami pero madalas na kayo kuno kami bisita.
So, I think we're somewhere back here.
Yeah, how was it?
It's good but very tiring. But really
Everybody here early. So there you have it. Money changers. So last year when I came, they had this resort. They were just rebuilding it. The Mandarin. So definitely nice resort. Look at that. It's got its cascade when it comes on later this afternoon, this morning. But it will come on later. We'll have you. Here you get your fruit shakes. Good morning, sir. Oh, I come back, I gotta change, I'm gonna swim. Alright. Good morning.
today, sir.
Yes, later.
Shopping. Boat ride.
Boat ride. Here we are. Already dropped a video about Tahoe, Philippines favorite. Well, here our video comes to an end. So I gotta go to my hotel.